Let me show you how you can fix your error E5 on your India inverter. As you can see here, you have the error E5, which translates to the fuse or MCB tripped. And to diagnose this problem, we come here to our surge protector here, which as you can see here is already faulty. It's showing red light. And on the back here, you also see that the MOV for this inverter is already blown. One of it is blown, and if we have the breaker turned on, the MOV also flashes, which is it still blows out again. So to fix this, we would simply open this inverter up and change the surge protector also, and that should fix the problem, hopefully. Let's go. Okay, as you can see now, we are ready to open up the inverter. So right here we have the MOVs. There are 4 of it connected in parallel to ensure an adequate protection for the inverter. Now what we're going to do is we're going to unbend this. This is top one is the one with the problem. We unbend this, and then we would take this out and replace it with a new one, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so now we've swapped the MOV out for a new one, which is a fresh one, just like the ones we have here. Now we will swap it out. We would turn on the battery and turn on the grid power to check if what we've done is working fine. See you in a bit. So now we have everything set up. Let's test it and see if we were lucky and we won't blow ourselves up. Now we have the inverter turned on. We're having the input breaker turned on here, and the output breaker turned on. And now I think we have the error of breaker trip, and now we turn it on. Oops. So we have the system working. As you can see, we have the load here. This is the frequency, which means the grid is working. The mains is on, and this repair is fixed successfully. So now you know if you have an error E5 and your breaker tripping off on the back of inverters like Ado, Eastman, or most Indian inverters that have MOV installed at the back. Now you know how to fix it in under 2 minutes. Follow to get more content like this. Subscribe and like this video. Thank you.